What's up, T and K Total Knockout Squad?
What's up, gang?
We're back to you guys with another video. Nick, what we getting ready to go do today?
Bossa Vegan.
We going to Boss Vegan.
Boss Vegan, guys. Boss Vegan.
Another vegan restaurant here in Charlotte, North Carolina. We getting ready to try it out, give you guys a review. So if you're in Charlotte, you could try it out. Or if you visit in Charlotte, North Carolina, you can give them a try if you like vegan food. So stay tuned.
Wait. Before you go, what we want you to do is hit the subscribe button right now. Give us a like.
And share.
Stay tuned, guys.
Peace. So we have made it to Boss Vegan. We are here curbside because you got to stay in your car waiting on our orders to come out. You excited?
I'm excited, guys.
Kawana and Monica. Yep.
Kwana has 2 orders.
Okay. I'll bring it right up.
Okay.
Yours didn't come out yet, Nick?
Not yet.
Okay.
I cannot wait to taste it.
Me too.
Oh, it says something about first bite challenge. I guess they want you to send this in.
First bite challenge?
First bite challenge.
Okay.
And you do it with their Instagram or something. Or Facebook.
It's on there.
I got to read it, guys. We'll figure it out in a minute.
So, we back on this journey again with my sister, Boss Vegan. Last time we tried, what was it, Mike's?
Mike's cookout.
Yeah, Mike's Cookout. Mike's Vegan Cookout truck.
Yes.
So, try them out too, guys. Don't forget about them.
Let's see what we have here. What we have here.
Can't wait to taste this.
Can't wait to taste
Oh
it. So,
my God, Becky.
we did order
Oh my God.
their cookies.
Veggie cookies, guys.
Will come in there 4.
4. You get 4 of these.
For how much?
None.
None of your business. Just
Find
know.
out for yourself.
Find out for yourself.
Find out for yourself.
Yeah, just know vegan. If you want to eat healthy,
You're going to
you might
pay
have to
for
spend
it.
a little bit. You may spend less, you may spend a lot, but you're going to spend something.
Who is it? Oh, no.
You want to try them cookies now?
No, I'm not. I'm going to save it for later.
Save it for later. Nick, what all you say you got?
I got the Bossa Vegan. No. Yeah, Bossa Vegan burger, right? I think. I don't know, but whatever it is, I'm about to eat it. I'm about to tear it up. Okay? It don't even matter.
So,
about to eat it.
I hear they are very delicious. They are very good, so.
They supposed to be the number 1. Little boy.
They supposed to be the number. We got Chosen back there with us. They go to grandbaby, y'all. He making all that noise. All that noise. We're going to put him up on the roof and let him ride.
Look at that smile. Say, y'all gonna leave me alone.
What's up, Cho? What's up, Cho? You the one making all that noise back there?
Say, I'm hanging with the old people.
Hanging with the old people. Then we're going to go back and watch us a little bit of Coming to America.
Perfect Saturday.
Perfect Saturday. Decent little weather. It was hotter yesterday, but it's a little chillier today, but we'll take this over that rain we had.
I know. This is about the first Saturday we done had in about, what, 6 weeks?
How many weeks?
About 6 weeks that we hadn't had no rain.
We had rain back to
every
back.
weekend.
Nick, what do you think about that rain? Oh, you trying to grow your garden. I
I'm
forgot
starting
about that.
my garden.
On the porch, y'all. Garden on the porch.
Mind
That's
your
what it's called.
business. Mind your business. My porch is going to be the bomb. I am going to be able to eat everything in my garden.
That's right.
So I welcome the rain.
It's gonna be some. It's gonna be some green tomatoes in there, and when she cut those up and fry them, y'all.
Tim can't have none.
Oh, I'm gonna
he
get
can't
some.
have none of my harvest.
I'm gonna get some of that porch grown green tomatoes.
And it has a name. It's called Malia's Garden.
Malia's Garden.
Malia's Garden.
And for you guys that don't know, that's my great niece. That y'all might have seen her in some of our videos.
Honey. The hot mess.
So when Nikki makes those fried green tomatoes, she cut them thin. Slice them up so well.
Thick.
slice them up so well and season them just right and throw them in that grease.
Put me back on the farm.
Hot sauce and
At,
some bread.
my grandmother's family farm. The bomb.
The bomb. We used to have fried green tomatoes. It used to be like a whole spread laid out there.
Wait. I thought you were supposed to see about getting us some lemonade.
Oh, dang, y'all, I forgot to order their lemonade. Can you call in there and tell them
No, you supposed
to
to
bring
be.
them a lemonade out?
No, we need two.
Can you order it online now?
I don't know.
How about
when
we
they
just
come out?
call?
Yeah, let's call and tell them.
Pause.
Pause.
My hand ain't far enough.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know? Don't judge me. I just wish he knew.
Vegan, I guess, make their own chips, or they have some type of their own seasoning that they put on the chips.
I would taste.
I'm putting it in their special sauce.
It is so good. Yeah, this over here.
Let me try it without the sauce.
So we got Nikki with us. We got Tracy trying out the food. And we got Mama V for the first time trying out the food. And
Greedy K.
Greedy K and Greedy T right here. T and K told them knockout.
So it gives me like Cajun type of taste.
Without the
And then the sauce comes with a little sweet.
Okay.
It's pretty good.
What you think about it, Trey? How your
The
burger
chip.
taste?
Well, I haven't been into the burger yet.
Are we
Well,
all
with the
gonna bite
chips.
in together?
Yeah, y'all can bite in together.
You ready to bite in, Trey?
They getting ready to bite
I
in,
have the
y'all.
boss of burgers, I guess, or something. I don't know. I can't remember.
We had the Boss. It was called the Boss Burger with the
and you got the
sauteed
Boss Burger Deluxe.
sauteed chips.
Okay.
Boss Burger Deluxe and Boss Burger. Right?
And mine has bacon, chili, grilled onions, and cheese.
Really?
Really?
Yeah, that's what I have the same one. We got the same one. Mine is
What we got?
It is.
Yours good? How it taste, Mom?
It's delicious.
Delicious. Y'all heard that? Y'all heard that?
Let's say.
Ah.
Where's that special sauce that's on it?
It's really in there.
These chips taste pretty good.
What you think? What you think?
You can't tell.
That it's not
There's not meat. There's vegetables.
So,
flavor.
y'all, you ready to open mine up? Y'all know on the last video I was looking greedy on Kawana's food. But no, I got my burger, I'm opening it up. I'm gonna take a bite of it and I'm gonna give y'all what I think. So Nick, what number would you rate it?
I'm gonna give it about a 10.
A strong 10.
Strong 10.
I'll give it a 10.
How about you, Mom? What you give it?
A 10.
A 10. What you give it, Kawan? Including the chips.
Red 10. I gotta take one more bite.
Take one more bite.
The seasoning. It's a seasoning for me.
Chili or what? But it's deadly.
What number you give it? 10. Okay. Hold this real quick while I try mine. Let me see.
Let's see what he's working with over here.
Let's see.
What you think? What you think?
Get your chip. Swish it around.
Oh yeah, that's good. I get a strong 10 from me, but I'm about to try the chips though. Boss of vegan, baby.
The dip.
Dipping.
How tomatoes look like meat? No.
They do. Let me show you my bacon. See
my bacon.
That tastes like a gourmet barbecue chip. That's exactly what it tastes like. Like a gourmet barbecue chip.
I gave it a Cajun, but you
Cajun like barbecue.
Well,
So
it's not a little spicy.
telling you, you live in Charlotte or you visit Charlotte, North Carolina, try out Boss Vegan.
pretty good.
Pretty
And
good.
what's the name of the shop?
It's called Boss of Vegan. Boss of Vegan. Yep. You place your order. It's not a sit down place. You place your order. They bring it out curbside. You just text them or call them and let them know you outside.
And you might even get a
Oh, and they lemonade.
Lemonade.
This
We
lemonade.
haven't tried it yet. I did break the seal, but I haven't tried it yet. I'll let you know how the lemonade is.
Oh yeah, and they got the mint leaf in there. So good,
Can't
y'all.
wait till Kawana let us know how those cookies taste.
Oh yeah, we got the chocolate chip cookies too. So stay tuned. Yeah. How that lemonade taste, Nick?
The lemonade is pretty good. It's sweet, but it's good.
Very sweet.
Try it and tell me what you think about
Now
it
I
and
had.
the cookies.
We should have found out what they made it with.
Now I had the chocolate chip cookie, which is a vegan chocolate chip cookie. It's good too, y'all.
Kawana didn't
Cookie
like it.
Monster didn't like it.
I'm not
Just being honest. It's honest
because
review.
I'm so used to what's the place? Insomnia.
Yeah, she's spoiled by insomnia. Did you have a peach tray?
I had a whole cookie.
She had a whole cookie. Dude, you got your
And it was good.
you got your stuff on your medicine. Her sugar is gonna go. Oh, that's the kids in there with the cars. They playing.
Yeah, this is full. I'm still eating chips.
Me too. I'm still eating my
I
chips
really
too.
like the
And
chips.
I'm on these chips too. This chips left.
Everybody got their
And
chip.
you got you a good meal left.
One still got chips, chocolate chip cookie, and burger.
It was really filling though.
It was.
I will say that. It was probably the best vegan. Tracy, like slutty vegan in Atlanta. I do too.
No, they got a slutty vegan here.
No, I think
They
just
keep
pop
advertising
up.
like
I think
it-
they just pop up every now and then.
Okay.
But this was pretty good. This was one of the best.
You had slutty
Very seasoned, like it's seasoned very well.
Yeah.
and they
right, I'm
have
done
a,
seeing
they have a
No.
slutty sauce.
Well, I love it. Boss of Vegan is amazing. Like the lemonade, the cookies, and
Something again.
Kay was fixing the camera for me, y'all.
We have to find us
But I like
another
they
place.
lemonade. Oh no, what, next place?
Oh, tell it.
Hot Dog Factory. That'll be coming soon here in Charlotte. Hot Dog Factory. One of my cousin's friends is opening up that restaurant here, so y'all make sure y'all support.
Hot Dog Factory.
Hot Dog Factory it is. Well, guys, everybody about finished eating their food. We getting ready to go in here and watch Coming to America 2. So, thank you guys for watching our video.
Remember to subscribe, guys. Give us a thumbs up.
That like button, hit that like button. Make sure y'all share this video. Say peace you out, Trey.
Peace.
Why you gotta zoom in on everybody?
Peace. And Mama V, she out. Ah. All right, guys, stay tuned to the next video.